Welcome to another video of I Am Possible Excel. In this video, we will learn step-by-step calculation of market share in Microsoft Excel. First of all, what is market share? Market share is the percent of total sales in an industry generated by a particular company. Suppose a consumer as a whole buys 100 soaps, and in that 100 soaps, 40 soaps belong from company X. Then that particular company X holds 40% of market share. To understand it better, let us calculate the same in Microsoft Excel. So here I have prepared some data which are the sales of particular pharmaceutical products of psoriasis medical condition. Now, these are the sales in year 2020, 2021, and 2022. These products are used for treating the medical condition psoriasis, and the total sales generated by these medical products make up the total market, total psoriasis market. Now, to calculate the market share, what we need to do? We need to find out what percent of sales this particular product contributes for this total market. Let us calculate. So first of all, we need to take this particular list of products in an adjacent column. So we'll copy Control C, Alt E, S, V, and give OK. So we'll get the list of products, but also we need the same format. So we will do Alt E, S, T. It will select the format and we'll give OK. Now we can see the format is being copied as it is. Now we need the same format for the adjacent 3 columns as well. Now here we need the market share. How do we calculate the market share? So basically we will give equal to the sales of this particular product divided by the total market, and this is the total market C14 because this value makes up the total market. Now we'll give enter. This number will come in percentage. We need to show the market share in percentage format, so here we will give the percentage style. Now if we drag this formula, we can see that it gives us an error. This is because C14 has changed to C15 as we have not fixed C14, because C14 value has to be fixed as it is the total market. So we will give FN F4, which will, or use the dollar sign to fix the total market. Now we'll give enter, and then if we do Control T, we get the result, which is 16%. Now similarly, we will copy the formula towards the right. Now here also we can see. So first let us complete 2020. All right. So here let us make the format similar to the adjacent columns. So we can see the total market is 100%. So if we give Alt plus or sum equal to sum of the total products, it should give us 100%. Means the calculation is now correct. So the total market should be 100%. That is the total market. And these are the contribution of different products in the total market. Now, if we copy the same formula towards the right, we should get the exact value for 2021 and 2022. So if we drag the formula, what we can see, we are seeing 41%. So let us simply copy the formula towards the right by doing Control R. But here, when we do the addition, we see it is 113%. Why? Because we have fixed C14, but for 2021, the value should be CD14. And similarly, for 2022, the value should be E14. Now, if we drag the formula, it should give us 100%, as we can see here. Now, Let us also prepare a chart for the same. Let us delete this. Now, when we will prepare a chart for showing the market share in a presentation, we need to select this particular range, that is from G5 to age 13, and go to insert, then click on pie charts. Always remember, market share is shown in pie chart format only. So here, so basically you can use different type of charts, but market share is always shown in the pie chart because it makes up to 100%. So this total circle is 100%, and different fragments show the different parts of the products. Now here, let us format the chart a little bit. Here we can select a different type of charts, but we can format it ourselves also by going to the quick layout, add chart title. We can add the different data labels. Let us go to the chart again and do some more formatting. Let us do Control Z. All right, let us right click and do add data labels. But here we need some more information. So we'll go to chart design and we'll go to legends, go to more legend options, and we'll show text options. All right, we need some more formatting here. Okay. So if you go to data labels, here you get an option called data callout. So you can give a data callout option, or you can go to more data level options where you can show the category name and value or percentage. So it will show you the exact percentage. Now you close this. So similarly, you have prepared your market share, and you can do a little bit of formatting in this. Now you don't require this legends. And for the outlines, you can remove the outlines, and you can see your market share chart is complete. So here you can write market share 2020. So that's all. I hope you have liked this video and you have understood how to calculate market share and how to represent market share in Microsoft Excel. So if you have any more queries on market share or any particular help is required in Microsoft Excel, please drop in your comments and we'll be happy to help you. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.